DejaOffice for Android can track your SMS text message history and keep it in sync with your PC. To enable this feature, visit Settings and then History Settings. Tap on Collect SMS and then on DejaOffice Contacts. DejaOffice will prompt you to install the DejaHelper app that makes this happen. Tap Yes when prompted, and then we'll let DejaOffice open the web page it needs in our browser. Tap on the package icon to download the app. You may get a warning here about installing an app from outside the Google Play Store. In general, you should only do that if you trust the source. We'll tap OK to allow the install. Once the download completes, tap on Open to start the app installation. Your browser may prompt you to allow the installation of unknown apps here. We'll follow the on-screen prompts to allow this, since this app is from a trusted source. Once it's installed, we don't need to actually do anything in the DejaHelper app. We can simply go back to DejaOffice and enable the Collect SMS setting, and then choose Allow when Android prompts us. DejaOffice will now save your SMS text messages in a history record, which you can use to view your SMS history or which you can sync with your PC. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel and check out more links below.